Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in my girls room, they want me to set up their Christmas tree already, so I have everything set up here in their bed. It's the Candyland theme from Hobby Lobby, or the gingerbread theme from Hobby Lobby, but we're not gonna call it that, you know, because everybody calls it the gingerbread Christmas tree or the Candyland Christmas tree, and I know that's what it is, but we want to change it a little bit different, so we want to call it Santa's Sweet Factory. That's how we're gonna call it. So if you guys want to see how this Christmas tree is gonna come out, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put after I already set up the tree is the tree skirt. So my daughter's gonna help me with that. She's gonna go under the tree to put it in.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it under the tree.
Okay guys, so now that I have the tree skirt down there and the tree set up, I'm gonna start putting the flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the flowers all over the tree. So right now I just finished putting on the flowers, and right now I'm gonna put on my toppers. So these are gonna be my Christmas tree toppers, and I'm gonna show you guys how that's gonna. So that's gonna be my tree topper. I'm gonna leave it simple as that, and I'm gonna continue adding all the ornaments now. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I just have to put the last two ornaments, and then after this I'll be putting on the ribbon. So this is how it's looking so far. I just put the ribbon. Here it is. Okay guys, so I'm just done putting in the ribbon right now, and I'm about to put in the bows. So I'll be showing you guys how the tree's gonna look once I put in the bows, okay? I'm almost done, you guys. This is the last bow I'm putting on the tree. And right now I am about to put the guardians of the factory, because we're gonna name our tree, the theme of our tree, it's gonna be Santa's Sweet Factory. So these nutcrackers are gonna be the guardians. They're gonna guard the tree, so let's put them. And we're gonna put the other one right here. Let's see, where is Santa going? So I'm just gonna be going right here. And last but not least, we're gonna put this wallflower and the smell of champagne toast from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. So the whole room can smell really, really nice. And now, since Santa's little helper has been working all day on the sweet factory, she deserves a little break. Caramel macchiato. Okay guys, so I'm finally done working at the Santa Sweet Factory. So I just wanted to take a few seconds to thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new and you guys want to subscribe, you guys are more than welcome to do so. So thank you guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas everybody.
Yeah.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.